Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to knit this beautiful mesh stitch. I also have other mesh stitch tutorials on my blog, so be sure to check them out. I used this stitch in one of my previous projects, a triangular neck scarf. Because the scarf includes increases, I thought it would be helpful to make a separate video showing you how to knit the stitch flat without increases. So for this stitch, cast on any odd number, and at the beginning I just knitted all stitches. The first row I just knitted all stitches. We are not going to count this row, just let's count it as foundation row. And there will be in total 4 rows to repeat for this pattern. And row number 1, slip the first stitch and then knit 1. And this is what we are going to do only at the beginning of the first row. After that, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over. This part we are going to repeat as many times as needed. So yarn over again, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over. Go on repeating till the end of this row. And at the end, the last stitch, we will always purl. Great. Turn row number 2, slip the first stitch and purl all other stitches till the end. Purl till the end. At the end, the very last stitch, we will purl it as well. Turn. Row number 3, slip the first stitch and then knit all other stitches. Go on knitting till the end and purl the last stitch. Turn row number 4, slip the first stitch and in the same way knit all other stitches. row the last selvage stitch, turn. That's it. And now we are going to repeat last 4 rows. So again, we start with row number 1, slip the first stitch, knit 1 only. After that we are going to repeat yarn over, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over. Here it is. Please go on, finish this row and second, third and fourth. I hope you like this stitch tutorials. If you are looking for written instruction, please check my blog. You will find the link in the description box. I wish you all the best and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!